we're getting hitched. Not really hitched. We're taking, we're gonna do some work today. We got this trailer of ours. That's the hitch we're doing. We're replacing that whole thing with new material laying over there. So it's going to be an exciting day. Stay tuned. We posting the exact replica, or not replica. We're going to be posting the how to replace a hitch in Costa Rica on a foggy day. It'll be fun.
Metal tools clink lightly, while muted electric guitar groove.
So we're a couple hours in, and there's some progress going on. So I've got some blocking at the ready. The coupler is off. He's grinding away there. We got it blocked up, and we've got some fun things happening. For example, there's our head. We've got a new jack going on this thing. Electric jack from the old manual crank, hiding over there. Fun times ahead.
Low tom fills leading back to groove.
And that's number 2. Now, let's put it back together. Just a little bit of an update here. Getting things lined up and measured. Making sure it's all coming together. Everything has to be lined up, so we got measurement there, centered, measurement there. Fine tuning before the final attachment. Time to square things off and then weld. Level it here. Okay, so we've got it measured 3 times, and let the games begin. We are actually putting it on this time. Time 12 o'clock, started at 7. That's 5 hours for removal, getting it all aligned, and welding in progress. So it's not a fun job, but at least the right materials are on. Anyway, show you the finished finished product when we're done. I'm going to tell a little story here. The Hitch when it was welded in Guatemala last year. It had a little bit of a slight pull to the left, so it was dragging kind of off kilter. I'll see if I can show you a diagram. So let's reference this image, this picture. That's the truck, that's the trailer, and when it pulls, you have straight alignment in this mirror with this side of the trailer perfectly. But when it was connected, take this pen as our straight line, when it was connected in Guatemala, this trailer was actually towing like this. So that made some tires go a little wonky. Another little note, this material we had in Guatemala, they didn't have the thickness at the time. So it was 1/8 of an inch thick, whereas now it's 3/16 of an inch thick. So we should be good to go. Hitch is almost, the coupler is almost welded, completed on the hitch. Once that's done, I'll show you, and then we'll keep going. Quick update, it's finally sunny outside, and we shut it down around 3 o'clock. Things are progressing pretty good. I'll just show you the status. So we temporarily put on the new jack and tested it out and put up the propane tank platform, and we've got that spot welded. We got a new piece we're going to put on here to beef it up a little bit better. All in all, it's coming together. We'll show you once it's all fully painted and together. That's it for today. It's starting tomorrow again. Good morning, day 2, and we're gonna keep welding. I ain't gonna be filming much more today. It's just gonna be the finished product once it's all painted and stuff. So stand by for a finished hitch, one that was long overdue to do. This one's going to be a little stronger than the original and the other replacement. So, okay, cheers. So it's 12:49, day 2. We have finally finished, and you can see my glasses are a little on the wet side. It's because it's been raining on and off, but of course right now it's sunny. So anyway, hitch is finally complete. This is what I won't say complete, but it's complete enough. It's got some nice things. I'm just going to give you guys a show here. The final hitch with chain. There's a few painting jobs yet to do, but new jack. That's the nice part. Propane hooked up. A couple wires to put in place. The electric brake pull apart. Safety's got to get put in place. We got this block. We've got a nice battery holder finally. It's a couple little odds and ends. I'll show you on this side. All in all, it's a final, complete, new to me hitch. And that is the longest process that we've had to look forward to, but it's done. So in case any of you guys watching have any questions as to how to replace a hitch in another country, you just gotta have patience and a lot of time. Thanks for watching.